Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix iPhone keeps popping up a new iOS update is now available. Please update from the iOS 14 beta. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Check your software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Make sure that Wi-Fi is connected. Scroll down. Tap on Journal. On the Journal page, tap on Software Update. If the software update is available, tap on Download and Install to upgrade the iOS. Tip number 2. Date and time set automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap on Date and Time. Set automatically turn on. Thanks for watching this video.